Yo, what's going on? It is 6:20. It focuses Wednesday, October 8th, and today took an L, man. Down. I want to say about 1250 it was. I'll get the exact number. Actually, let's get this exact number right now. 1253. So that's a three trade losing streak, one break even. So three L's, one break even in my last four. But let me break down why I took today's trade. So coming into the day, I did want to actually see us lean bearish a bit. We were relatively close to all time highs. 180, about 180 points away. So I'm not like, oh my gosh, all time highs, all time highs. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. 180 points away. And as you can see, overnight we had this. Well, not overnight. Yesterday we had this big ass dump. And overnight, we seem to have been in a seek and destroy daily profile as to where ES came up, took out London high, and it looked as though it was going to want to continue lower because it left Asia and London as a draw. We were SMT'd at that London low. As you can see here, we had a still. So I'm thinking, okay, cool. We're going to look for shorts. Like, we're going to want to seek out London at least. And then from London low, we'll continue higher if that's truly what we want to do. So right at market open, which I'll speak about also about open in a quick little second. We start ripping up. We take that London high like I would want to see. And perfectly, we leave behind this 5 minute. Now, why do I say perfectly we leave behind this 5 minute? Because within an A+ setup, I would also want to see an 5 minute to 15 minute gap to target, which is an excellent break even point. So boom, that's one part of it being A+. Another part would have been that, look at what our target would have been, London low. And look at what we sweat. A session high, another great draw on liquidity. That's what plays a big fucking role into it being an A+ setup, is because of the draws. So we then remember we have that 5 minute. Let's just leave it as right here. The 5 minutes right here. Actually, 5 minute. 5 minutes on this candle. So we then leave this 1 minute with an internal SMT. Why did it not? And then this shit wants to be a bitch. My SMT, why did it not stay? We had an internal SMT at this high. Where, as you can see, it's this SMT. So ES was fucking pouring. ES genuinely looked like it wanted to go take out all of this that has left. Take out this, and go and take this London and Asia low. So that gives me even more confirmation. Like, look at ES right here. Straight dumping, dude. Straight dumping. That's giving me like, okay, cool. Like, ES is definitely going to want to take that London low as well. So let's get in with it. We just swept the high, which is perfect. If we take out the high, then obviously we're going to go, and it's better for us to want to seek that low. And with it being such strong draws, we have the SMT. We have the 5 minute to target for it to go perfectly break even to. ES is in that bearish order flow. We're actually also forgot to mention this, that we're delivering from this 15 minute. As you can see, we tag in. So that was another reason. That was another confluence that we can start shooting down. And did this even tag into an hourly? No, we had already tagged this hourly. But yeah, we tagged into this 15 minute gap. So, I mean, that's an A+ setup, man. That's an A+ setup. This shit plays out, man. It was just, I thought we would have at least gone to the 5 minute, which would have been my break even point. But we got about 3 or 4 points away, I want to say. Yeah, about 3.5. 3.5 from my MVP points away. And straight to stop loss. So I didn't take this trade. I gotta speed up my talk. I got class in 7 minutes. I took this trade on that one account that I was talking about, how it ends the 11th. So I fully sent risk 3 minis. This was 3 minis on this trade. It was about 1250 risk, which was the remainder of the account. And the reason why my stop loss wasn't at London low, it was only right there, because this 69.5 points it was. This was to make $1,100, which would have completely passed the account. And honestly, this wasn't asking for much, if I'm being real. Like 69 points. But I wouldn't have even targeted this London low. I would have taken it. And I probably also would have gotten in on it on my regular fund evals. My bad, not funded. I'm not taking shit and funded with this bullshit ass price action. But I would have gotten in on my regular eval had we inverse this 5 minute. So if we inverse the 5 minute, this would have been my trade on my regular eval. Would have just kept it right here. 35 point stop loss. Targeting right here. 1 to 2. So I would have taken those 2 trades, and it would have hit full TP had price wanted to be fair and deliver. Well, let's not say fair, but had price wanted to follow what I believed in and essentially deliver, which it absolutely did not. Now let's take a look at another trade that I was actually thinking. So the reason why I didn't take this trade, I'm gonna be straight up real, is because it was pre-market. It was a pre-market gap, and I'm not fully certain, fully in tune with these pre-market gaps, and I'm not fully believing in them. So this, I believe I had an internal. Did I have an internal SMT? Let me double check that. I apologize. I should have all of this set up already. No, it did not have an internal SMT. Unless you want to say like this was the SMT. Which I'm not even going to fucking count that shit. But yeah, it was this 1 minute gap to these London highs right here. Was the other trade. I had contemplated it, but then I'm like, it's a pre-market gap. It was both of these gaps. I don't know. It didn't really like. It's a pre-market gap. Like, what more can I say? I wasn't too intrigued by it. Like, obviously, you know, not a bad setup whatsoever. It's a, bro, where'd that shit go? It's a free like break even essentially. But again, had I lost this trade, I would have been fucking furious. It's market open. It's likely to go down. It's likely to shoot up. It's likely to, you know, this is more of a gamble to me in my eyes. This trade was more of a gamble opposed to having some certain like this. I wanted to see us come down and take out London low today. Did we get it? Absolutely not, as we can see. I lost 1250. Like, it's all good. It's a part of the game. Wins, losses. I'm on a 3-trade losing streak. I can't even remember the last time I hit a trade. I've been patient, though. I've been waiting. I've been sitting. I've been disciplined. And, yeah, I've been doing everything that I said I need to do. I've been saying everything I said that I want to do. Now it's time for me to accomplish everything I said I would do. So, yeah, that was today's trade. Sorry, I'm gonna actually have to cut this a little bit shorter because I do got class in 4 minutes. Fuck that shit, bro. But yeah, consistency beats the gamble. Taking like gambling trades, my low trade frequency, waiting for that good setup. It was a while since we seen a good setup, and this was one, so I took it. But yeah, I'm waiting more on price to clear up so that I can be more confident jumping into these trades. Seeing like it failed to deliver even to this 5 minute. Like, if it wanted to continue higher, I'm cool with that. But seeing it fail to deliver to this 5 minute is like, bro, what the fuck? Like, what the fuck? So, yeah, I'm waiting on price to clear up more. To get in all my funded, to get in, like, more eval. Like, I'm just going to stick to eval plays. And I'm going to stick with the cheapest evals, which are Boonok. Shout out to them. So, yeah. But as I was saying, consistency is always going to beat the gamble. It's not showing right now. But keeping the same consistency is gonna pan out, and that's just facts. Like, come back to this video, Nick. You'll see it pans out. I'm gonna just say that shit right now. It pans out. But before I go, another trade also that I was looking at was this continuation model to all-time high. Would have been right here, and I'm gonna be real. The reason it was a 2 minute, I believe. Yeah, we had the SMT. This 2 minute inverse was pretty high, was the only problem, right? So had it even inverse, I wasn't taking this. Like, this is not what I was taking. It would have broke me even if this is what I had taken. Would have went break even right here. I wanted to see us, you know, start pumping down, but we just pumped up, and then at work they just needed me to go here, go there, go there, go here right at this time. So just stayed out of it. Took my 1L on the day. This would have been on my other my other evals. And it would have been break even, and then eventually had run to my draw. So today, my one draw was wrong, my other draw was correct. Not the best day, but like I said, consistency will show. It's just a matter of time, and I just need to continue up. I'm really glad, and I'm proud of myself that this isn't demoralizing to me and it's not bringing me down. And I'm glad I'm ready to show up. Damn, that weak ass burp. I'm sorry I wasted your time on that weak ass burp, but yeah, I'm glad that I'm not demoralized, and I'm glad I'm still going to show up and continue to be as disciplined as ever. So, yeah, now I got class in 1 minute. It's 6:29. I got class at 6:30. Actually got to turn on my MacBook. He didn't even email me the freaking Zoom link, bro. Oh, now he did. Sorry, class. I forgot to send this link. But, yeah, let me join my class right now. For the degree that I know I'm not going to end up using because, like I said, consistency, this will all play out. Oh, gotta turn off my camera. They don't get to see this beautiful face. All right, let's join this. And boom. I know I'm not gonna end up using this, man. I know it. and I'm gonna prove that shit right. I'm gonna prove myself right. So, yeah. All right. I've been saying catch you tomorrow for like the last 2 minutes. So seriously, catch you tomorrow.